So the next one, up to this we covered collection, list, set, sorted set, navigable set. Now the sixth interface keeps abiding Q interface, right? Q interface. 6.1 Q interface. Now collection is already there. I want to represent a group of individual objects where all objects I want to represent prior to processing. So before processing, if you want to represent a group of individual objects, then we should go for Q concept, right? Then we should go for which concept? Q concept, right? Q is the child interface of collection. If you want to represent a group of individual objects prior to processing, then we should go for Q. Best example for you. I want to send a mail for 10,000 members. All mail IDs I have to store somewhere. Are you getting right? Best example, in your to list, 1000 mobile number mail IDs I have to save. First mail ID, comma second mail ID, third mail ID, dot 1000 mail IDs. Now, so first 1000 mail IDs are there. To which mail our mail will be triggered first? To the first person, and then to the next person, to the third person. If you want to represent a group of individual objects prior to processing, I want to store all these mail IDs before sending a mail. So, but in which order? So, in which order we inserted? In the same order only we have to take out. First in, first out. Are you getting? If you want to represent a group of individual objects prior to processing, then we should go for which concept? Q concept, right? Okay, this is before sending a mail, all mail IDs I want to store somewhere. Then where we can store is nothing but inside Q concept, right? Best example. So what are various implementation classes for the Q? Best example, priority queue. Next, blocking queue. Priority queue, blocking queue. Okay. Linked blocking queue. Linked blocking queue. It is the child interface. Linked blocking queue, child class, right? And a priority blocking queue. Priority blocking queue concept. Okay. So do you know this total queue concept, in which versions it came? This collection came 1.2 version. You people already aware. This total queue concept came in which version? Is nothing but 1.5 version. Are you getting that? Q concept came in which version? 1.5 version, right? Okay, this take. So take a note. So can you tell all the above interfaces? How many, which interfaces we covered? Collection, list, set, sorted set, navigable set, and a queue. 6 interfaces, right? All these interfaces meant for representing a group of individual objects. Are you getting? Suppose if I consider, yes, here a group of individual objects, first object, second object, third object, fourth object, like, have you observed? There is no link between this object and this object. There is no link between this one and this one, and this one and this one. If you want to represent a group of individual objects, then all these interfaces are best suitable. But sometimes I want to represent a group of objects as key value pairs. Best example, so roll number under name. Are you getting? Roll number, name, or IP address, domain name. IP address, domain name. Like, if we want to represent a group of objects has key value pairs, then we should go for map interface, and we can't go for all these interfaces, right? Okay, take a note.